Hey guys, I hope you're all well. Welcome to my YouTube channel and a bare-faced me. And honestly, so today I've decided to share with you my everyday makeup because I got some requests when I said what do you guys want to see if I'm filming more, and I don't want to put it all around fashion. I want to try and film lots of different things, not just hauls because of obvious reasons. But it's literally like the worst day to film because I've just got this massive spot that's been brewing for days, and it's not got a head on it, so I can't squeeze it. I just tried, which has made it look 10 times worse. And it's like about to blow. So that was a great idea to start filming today, but oh well, this is real life. I'm a real life kind of gal. You guys know I'm not about that edited life, so here we go. So I thought I would show you my whole routine. I've got my bag of makeup here, which is like quite scummy. It's like overflowing. I don't always use the exact same products, but these are the products that I use in this, if you get what I mean. Like there's a few different options that I use and I'll talk you through them as I go along. So I always put this headband on, which definitely needs to go in the wash. I feel like you're quite close, but I'm sat at my kitchen table. I haven't got a very nice background, obviously, because I'm just like against the wall. And you're balancing on a plant pot and some books because that's the way I roll. So the first thing I always do, so I actually have already done my skincare routine earlier today because it's like 3 o'clock now, that isolation life. But I always find it easier to put my makeup on, ooh, good catch, if I moisturise beforehand, even if I already have. So I'm going to put a little bit of moisturiser on to help my foundation spread more easily. And this is a vitamin E face moisturiser from Mallow and Goats. It's not like a long time, I'll link everything below. It's not like a long time, I'm not going to try and focus everything like that because it's impossible. I'll just link everything below. And it's not a long time product that I've been using. I've probably been using it for about a month. I really like it. I think it feels really nourishing, and it's quite thick. So yeah, I like it, and you get quite a lot in there, which I think is good. And you don't need a lot. That's probably too much because it goes on so well. And I'm not one of those weirdos. I think my weird to use makeup brushes to put this on, what it's called. I don't use many makeup brushes, you'll realise. I use like 2 maximum in my whole makeup routine. Foundation. So I don't actually use concealer anymore. I just use this foundation because this is how good I think it is. I don't think I need it. And it's the Shiseido Synchro Skin Self-Refreshing Foundation. And this is actually the 2nd bottle that I've used. So it's a repurchase and it's in the shade 310 Silk, and I love this foundation. It looks so nice all day long. I think it kind of has the feel of a thick foundation in terms of covering. Like I said, I don't feel like I need my concealer, but I don't think it looks cakey or fake when it's on, which is a really nice trait. And it's meant to be self-refreshing, so it like refreshes throughout the day. I don't know if that's actually something that happens, but I do feel fresh all day when I've got it on. And it's quite good for touching up too. Like I use it in the day sometimes to like touch up under my eyes, and it's good. But mainly just if I'm at home, like, because I don't take it out with me. But say I like went out and was like busy and then I wanted to film a video, I'd like put some more on. So I just put it on my hands. I literally am using the camera screen as a lens, so as a mirror. So sorry if you can see me looking at you guys, but I'm quite slapdash with my everyday life in general, to be honest. Everything I do. But yeah, so that's how I put on. I put a bit more on my skin, chip neck, so that it matches because I'm pasty AF. Usually I wear fit tan, but I haven't actually worn any in ages. And then normally, so as you can see, it's a really nice kind of natural looking base. And then I get a little bit more on my finger and dab it in the places that I think need extra cover, like under my eyes. Next step, so I haven't used this step in a few months because I ran out of this product, but I've had it restocked, and it's a Clinique Chubby Stick. You guys will probably remember this from all of my other videos, unless I like trying out new brands. I love the Clinique Chubby Stick so much. It's my favourite bronzer and like contour stick thing. So I just do like a little roly-poly line triangle thing there, and a bit there. I always put it here, but I feel like I don't actually need it. Then I use a brush to, blend it out, and I usually use this brush at the moment. It's my old foundation brush, a Louise Young LY34 one. But I'm known to just use any brush to blend. Come on then, come on. Oh my god, I can't even. Oh, she's like trying to squish in between me and the table. Good girl then, good girl. So I always feel like that gives like a really nice kind of bronzed look. And then I use this brush, which is one I got at Sephora years ago. And I use it normally the powder, but I've actually run out of powder. And I'm not leaving the house unless it's for essentials. So I'm not using powder at the moment. I've just been going straight on with my bronzer. Sometimes I'll use the brush on its own first, just to kind of like, if there's like remnants of powder, to try and like, just kind of, I don't know, do something. And then I've been using my Hoola bronzer, which as you can see is also running low, to just kind of give another bit of colour all over. Then I get the little brush that comes with the Hoola and kind of wiggle it and then do a little bit more here to highlight my contour. Then I've got this little palette from NARS, which I've been loving, which is the Afterglow palette, but normally I would use this Dior one, which is really good for highlight and blush, and I really like that. And this is kind of a more intense highlight. Jesus, it sounds like there's an elephant upstairs, just Jack walking around. So this is really nice, it's got some really nice colours in it. I've been using these two, as you can tell by the fact that they're down. So I kind of actually use both of these for the blush. I just kind of mix that in there. And then put it on the apples of my cheeks. You sound like a bloody elephant up there. Then I use that highlight. I just use my finger, because the guy said it's quite good to use your finger, because I went and had a little trial with them. It's like a cream to powder blush highlight. So yeah, I just go along my cheekbone, a little pat, pitter patter, and then down this. I just literally go where he went. I go where he went. Okay, then normally I go straight on to like eyeliner and stuff, but I'm going to show you a little bit of an eye thing, because why not? So this is the Afterglow palette too. So if I do my eyes at the moment, I've been using this, but this is the other one that's in here, which is my Dior one, and these colours are so nice. They're like the perfect neutrals, and I've had this for like 2 years. Probably should throw it away, but like as you can see, it's not gone down. And the same with this one, to be honest. They are like really long lasting palettes. So I know Dior's quite expensive, but they do last a long time. So I'm just going to use that. So I'm going to use one of the that kind of nudie colour and mix it with a little bit of brown, and just do that on my eye with my finger. Told you guys, I'm so slapdash, honestly. I haven't got the patience to waste time on things like makeup. I know I probably should, considering my job, but I'm a busy girl. Lots of coffees to go for. Okay, I feel like I put my blusher too low here. I'm just seeing it in the mirror and being like, kind of missed your cheek completely, Sinead, and put too much on. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so this, and then do you know what? You guys are literally going to be like, what are you doing? That looks crazy. This is like probably going to be like the worst makeup thing you'll see. I'm just going to do that to try and okay, does that look any better? And then I'm going to just do this with the same brush to kind of like smudge it out. I can literally feel people cringing watching this. Then I am going to use a tiny little bit of a glittery one, this one here, and just do it in the corner of my eye. Ta-da! Okay, and then these are the 3 eye products that I'm using at the moment. Gloss filler for that one. These, so the Hourglass Brow Pencil, I've been using that for over a year, love that. Dior, no, Dolce & Gabbana liquid eyeliner, used that for a long time, stopped using it, started using it again, really like that. And this Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Lashes, I'm a NARS mascara kind of gal, but mine have run out. And then I was looking and I found this in my makeup bag, so, or box of gifts that I get sent. So I was like, I'm gonna try this, and it's really good. I've had loads of compliments since I've been using it, so I might have been turned. So, first eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. I am terrible at liquid eyeliner. Yeah, I still continue to wear it every day. So this is I'm gonna hold my mirror because this is gonna be absolutely tragic. Oh, my spot is literally like a second head. I feel like you can't see it in there, but it is a small thing. So when I edit it, I'm probably gonna be like, oh my God, it needs tagging its own YouTube channel. So I try and just make it as non-shaky as possible. That doesn't look too bad. And then I try and do a little flick. I think there'll come a time in life when I don't wear liquid eyeliner and I'll look back and be like, I can't believe I used to wear it every day, but I honestly always wear it. I feel like I haven't got makeup on if I haven't got it on. So that's the eyeliner all done. And now I look really weird because I don't have any other eye makeup on. So then I use the Hourglass, and I use it in blonde. Which I don't normally use blonde eyeliner, eyebrow pencils, because I find that the blonde ones can be hit and miss in terms of shade. But this one from Hourglass is really good. So first of all, I brushed it on out into like the shape I like. It's also key when you're doing brows to have a good eyebrows to begin with. So find a good eyebrow person, and then it's way easier to do your brows every day because they do your shape for you. So I just kind of start by, this has got a nice like thin straight pencil, so it's quite good for getting the shape because it's like a line. So I start by kind of thickening out that front bit where what I think it should look like. Then I do the arch. And then I'll do the end. Ta-da! And then I'm gonna do this next one. First eyebrow always goes better than the second. You guys, this is how awfully clumsy I am. I don't know how I've managed, but I've just got black liquid liner. Oh, you can see my other nails colour there. I've got all black liquid eyeliner over there and in my palette. Seriously, what's wrong with me? I need help. I need professional help. Okay, then the Legendary lashes. So I feel like putting mascara and stuff on is not groundbreaking. I literally just, I've just realised another thing. I've been trying to look in the mirror and it's got that on it. I've had this for over a month and I've been using it with that on it. Okay, that's way better, I can see more now. Okay, so I kind of like go over all the bottoms of the lashes first and coat them so that like the stems or whatever you call them are covered. Then I kind of brush it out so that all the lashes are covered. Then I kind of drag to the edges. I just waft it about till the edges look right. And I do get it all over my eyelid, but I'm going to tell you a trick in a minute for that. So just leave the bit on your eyelid, the mess you make, if you're like me, until in a minute, because then I'll show you what to do. So as you can see, I think it's such a good mascara. Can you just appreciate the difference between these two eyes? So let me do the other eye. So I was actually way neater with that one, so I've only got stuff, I think, on the other one. So I grab my eyebrow pencil again and get the spoolie. So hopefully this will have dried a bit now, so it's easier to get off. And I just literally just brush it off. See, it just brushes off. It's like the best thing ever. I learned that from Jeffree Star, guys. Pretty proud of my little tip that everyone probably already knows anyway, but I'm proud. Okay, and then lipstick. Now I've got a few that I like here, so I'm going to talk you through them, just get them all out. Okay, I've got an extensive range in here. This is how many lipsticks I've got in my makeup bag. And this isn't even all of the ones that I use all the time. So These YSL ones are basically the same colour. They're just really nice. I love them so much. They're really sheer and beautiful and jelly kind of, and light and summery and pretty, and they taste like watermelon. So I love those. These Clinique ones are really creamy and kind of thicker. Love those. This one I've barely even used. This one I use quite a lot because it's basically my natural lip colour, and that is in the shade Isla. God, my hands are shaking, I don't know why. I think it's probably because I've had about 6 cups of tea today. Then the Charlotte Tilbury one I really like, but I never put it on like properly because it's quite dark. So I always just like dab it and then it comes out really nice, and that's called Glowing Gen. And then this one is the Bobbi Brown Bare Pencil. I might use that, to be honest. It's so nice. I'm probably going to use that one. And then these other Bobbi Brown ones, maybe I'll use them together. So these are like crushed gloss, and they look darker than they are. They come out really nice. I'm going to use that one with the other one. Okay, so I'm going to go for a Bobbi Brown lip, guys. When Bobbi Brown did my makeup, actually, so I checked my hairband off so we can get the finished look. So Bobbi Brown did my wedding makeup. That's why I love that stuff. Okay, so first, maybe I should use a mirror. It kind of tastes a bit like a Crayola, but it looks good. It's a really nice colour. You see? It's just so natural and pretty. And let's add a little bit of gloss and be extra because we are filming a video. And I don't normally wear 2 lipsticks. This is the gloss. It's oil infused. Good for you. There we go. Isn't it so pretty? So this is my finished look. Just realised, am I going to have to like film a kind of before and after pictures, take pictures to put on here? I'm probably going to have to, but the before I didn't take a picture of. What am I going to have with my thumbnail? Maybe just a picture of my makeup or a picture of me. I don't know, we'll see. You'll see, because you'll know. Anyway, I'm blabbering on about things that quite frankly you probably don't care about. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. If you want to see more kind of like get ready with me videos or anything like that, let me know. Or anything you want to see, let me know. If you use any of these products, let me know. And if there's any products that you think I would like based on this lot, then do please let me know also. If you got to the end, leave me a little emoji of a lipstick so I can say thank you so much. And I hope you're all well and safe and keeping yourself busy and occupied. And if you are bored, guys, I've got so many videos, just go have a little watch. And I will see you next time. I'm trying to film a video so that I've got one every day, or one every day for like 5 days a week or 6 days a week. So hopefully you'll be seeing a lot more of this space. Bye.